Today we will make a fantastic falafel, and everything we are going to use is chickpea, very important, leave in a water for 24 hours, baking soda, salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, cayenne, garlic, onion, fresh coriander and fresh parsley. I'm going to do it by part because my blender is small, and I will put in all together later. Add chickpea, parsley and coriander. Now some onion. Some people like to blend the ingredients separately and then mix them together. But for me, it's easier to find the right proportion, adding a bit of everything every time I blend some. This is cumin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon for each bowl, like this one. A dash of black pepper to taste. A pinch of paprika. Cayenne is spicy, so be careful adding it. Some salt to taste. About half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 garlic clove. Now I'm going to blend all my ingredients like this. If, like me, your mix is a little bit dry, you can add some onion. We want a dough at the end. Keep correcting with onion or chickpea until you find this texture. Keep blending your ingredients and, with your hand very clean, work the dough some more. Add enough vegetable oil and heat it up. Fry the falafel for both sides. Fresh falafel is cooked very fast, about a minute per side. And this served with the hummus we already know how to make. It's my version of the falafel. Enjoy, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.